Have you been getting unwanted messages or just want to stop someone from viewing your profile? LinkedIn lets you block people easily, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Plus, I'll share why blocking can actually improve your LinkedIn experience. Let's dive in. First, go to the profile of the person you want to block. You can use the LinkedIn search bar to find their profile. In my case, I will use someone or a random person here in my homepage as an example. Go to their profile and click the More button. The More button is the three dots that is located next to the Message button. So this is the three dots and a drop-down menu will appear. Click Report Block at the bottom. Choose Block the person and you'll see different options including reporting the profile, but choose the block to completely restrict their access to your profile. LinkedIn will ask for confirmation, so just hit block and you're done. They won't be able to see your profile, contact you, or interact with your content anymore. Blocking someone isn't just about avoiding awkward encounters. It's about controlling your online presence, whether it's a spammy recruiter, an ex-colleague, or just someone making you uncomfortable. Removing access to your profile helps maintain a positive and professional space on LinkedIn. And that's it. Now you have full control over who can see and interact with you on LinkedIn. If this video helped you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips. See you in the next one.